Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK, and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, and many more. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendation. So let's jump to the chart. So in this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks. And you can see that the first stock is already written here, AAL, Anglo-American. Okay, for Anglo-American, you can see that the last traded price is 2869. This is the last traded price, and on daily time frame, you can see that it has formed a hammer kind of a pattern. So a hammer kind of a pattern generally suggests that bulls bulls are present in the market who are not allowing the market to go down. Okay, they are pushing the price towards the upside. Okay. So whenever we see or spot a hammer kind of a pattern, we can expect that yes, price is about to go up. So as we have seen a hammer kind of a pattern with price rejection from below yesterday, so we can say we can hope that we will be getting good buying opportunity on the stock. Therefore, 2872. This is the level that we need to look for. If you get the stock above 2872 level, you can go for a buy. If you get the price below this level, then it's a no go. Only buy above 2872 level. That's it. So the second stock is Prudential. For Prudential, you can see that the overall trend of the stock is very bullish. Okay, there is no doubt that the stock is in uptrend, and just look at the beautiful uptrend. Just look at this beautiful uptrend. Okay, there is no doubt. Therefore, in a stock like this, we should be only looking for buying opportunity. Otherwise, we will be violating the first rule of trading, going against the trend. So, only buy. Okay, and what is the level? Level is yesterday's high, 1584. This is the yesterday's level. Okay, yesterday's high. So we will be looking for buying opportunity above 1584 level. Okay, yesterday it made a high of 1584 and then it closed at 1577. So 1584. If you get the stock above 1584, it's a buy. Let's jump to the third stock, and the third stock is Aviva. Okay, let me write down the name here. For Aviva, you can see that another beautiful stock with another beautiful uptrend, no doubt. And as you can see, the stock has closed at 3412 level. Okay, this is the last traded price, and the stock has crossed this daily resistance. Okay, on the daily chart, and there was so much buying pressure, and the bulls were so much in charge that it it crossed this level easily and ultimately closed at 412 level. So in a scenario like this, you should not be looking for shorting opportunity, only buying opportunity. Okay, and buying opportunity above the yesterday's high level. Okay, so what is the yesterday's high level? Let's find out. Okay, yesterday's high is 413.5, so we can go for a buy level above 414 level. Safe spot to go for a buy on Aviva. So buy call for Aviva above 414 level. So let's jump to the fourth stock. So fourth stock is Fresnillo. For Fresnillo, you can see that unlike Prudential and Aviva, the stock is in downtrend. And yesterday it has made a red candle on the daily chart. Okay. So shorting opportunity on Fresnillo. Yesterday it has made a low of 853. Yeah, and ultimately closed at 857 level. So if you spot the same selling pressure today below or at 853 level, you can short the stock. So short the stock or short Fresnillo at 853 level or just below the 853 level. Okay, and in case you short the stock, then your target will be 828 or 829, because at 827 level there is a support on the daily chart. So be careful. of the 827 level. Short the stock at 853 level. So let's jump to the fourth stock, and it's SM. For Smith and Nephew, you can see that the stock has closed at 1376 yesterday, and the stock has crossed the daily resistance. Okay, this daily resistance level, and day before yesterday also it tested and it crossed and successfully closed above the daily's resistance yesterday also. Okay, so it signifies that yes, the stock is in uptrend and bulls are present in the market who are not allowing the market to go down. Therefore, buying call only. Okay, buying call on Smith and Nephew. So if you get the stock above the yesterday's high level 1381, so the safe price will be 1382. So 1381 was the yesterday's high. So if you get the stock above 1382 or at 1382 level, just try to observe the price. If you see that the stock is trading comfortably, bulls are still present in the market, then just go for a buy at 1382 level. So these are the 5 stocks for 31st March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. And do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.